Hey, have you ever tried to visit a website only to get stuck on a weird Cloudflare error screen? Yeah, me too. It's super annoying, right? But don't worry. I've got you covered with the fastest way to solve most Cloudflare issues. First, let's talk about what's really happening. Cloudflare is like a security guard for websites. Sometimes it thinks you're a threat, even when you're not. The most common problems? Error 1020. Error 522. That endless checking your browser loop. Here's what you can do step by step. Step 1. Refresh the page. I know, classic advice, but sometimes it just works. Step 2. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can mess with Cloudflare's checks. Open Settings and wipe cookies cache. Step 3. Try a different browser or use incognito mode. Disable extensions. They can trigger checks. Step 4. Change your DNS. Use Google DNS or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1. Step 5. Restart your router. That gives you a fresh IP, which can help if you triggered a block. If nothing works, the site might be down, or it might be blocking your region. Wait it out or try a VPN. So next time Cloudflare blocks your way, don't panic. These quick fixes usually do the trick. Want more tech tips? Make sure you hit that subscribe button.